Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at home. Today we are going to start our new chapter 2P2D animation. So let us first understand what is 2P2D. It is a software or application which is used to make animations, games and cartoons. I'll give you practical example how we can do animation with the help of this software. So first of all, we'll open application, then graphics, and then open this 2P2D software. After opening it, it will ask you to create a new project and we'll name that project according to our requirement. In author name, you can name yourself. After that, I'll import a file which I have already saved on my computer from the internet. You can also do it. You can select it and drag it according to your need so that it can fit into the workspace area. This white space on the screen is called the workspace area. We'll keep on dragging it. Students, if you have computer, you can download it from the link I have given below, or if you are using your phone, you can download it from the Play Store also. I'll copy that image and paste it on the another side. I can select two images by pressing shift key also, or the another option is to copy and paste it. I'll keep on copy and paste until it will be a long path, because I want to run my car smoothly on a long path. Then I'll create a new layer which will be named as car. I'll import that file also. Go to import, select the image. This car image also I have selected from the internet. You can also save it before starting it. You can choose the size of the car according to your need and place it on the bottom of that workspace area. After that, I'll choose another layer for the tires of this car. So I need two layers for the tires, one layer for each. So I have taken one layer to make a tire and named it. Then I'll go to file and import that image of a tire. I'll place it according to the size of the car. I'll keep dragging it or making it small so that it can fit into this car. It is adjusted now. Then I'll take the another tire. I can simply copy and paste this image of another tire. It is fit. Now students, see, I'll create a motion twin. Motion twin means I'll select the timeline. This is the timeline, so that the car will move smoothly on the path. This is the path which will be decided by us, so that the car will move from one place to another. Go to the last frame and move the image to the right until the stage is end. We'll keep moving this frame so that the car will move from one place to another place. We'll keep doing this. Yes, this is our path. See, these are the frames or timeline for the car to move. We can decide the speed also. This button is for the speed. Then we'll create another motion for the tires to move. For the tires, we need to insert a keyframe which will be a rotation, because tires will work anti-clockwise. So we'll choose the rotation twin and we want the tire to move 60 times. See how the car is moving from one place to another place. We have already decided the timeline. Then we'll insert another keyframe or rotation twin, so the another tire will move from one place to another place 60 times. We'll choose the rotation, write 60 here. Now our both tires will work and the car is moving very smoothly. Now we can export this video. Export this video means we can save it on the place wherever we want to save it. So students, I hope you have understood this concept. Please download this app or software on your computer or on your phone so that you can work it